guys, welcome to Red 50. Thank you for tuning into another video. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. So in today's video, I want to discuss the recent phone mount I got for my 2019 Mustang GT. If you guys recall from the previous video, I got this phone mount from Amazon. It was like $10 or something. So if you guys want to check it out, it's linked in the description. But I got that phone mount, mounted it up. Didn't really get to use it last time during my unboxing and everything because my car was pretty much snowed in, so I didn't really get to drive it. So I wanted to test out the stability of this phone mount while I'm driving to see how it really performs in real-world scenarios. And normally, I don't really use a phone mount on this 2019 Mustang GT because I have the Apple CarPlay. But for the purposes of recording videos, I feel like it would be beneficial to kind of have a new dimension to my videos while I'm driving, or just having the road over there, as opposed to just having vlog style or just having the car shots. I thought it would be a really nice touch, so I ended up buying this one off of Amazon, and I just want to test it out to see how it really works out. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Now first, we have to do a cold start. Let's go. Oh yeah. Sounds absolutely insane. I don't know if you guys can really tell from, because the windows are still up, but it sounds nuts. We have to make sure the exhaust is in track mode, which is my mode for me. And boom, we've got track exhaust, because what fun would it be? So what better way to test out this phone mount is to go out on a drive and enjoy this beautiful Corsa Extreme exhaust. Maybe I'm just looking for an excuse to drive to hear the beautiful exhaust. Let's go. I think it holds just fine. It's pretty stable when you go over the bumps too. It doesn't shake too much. It helps that the phone has the stabilization as well. So yeah, let's get one more go. Just launches and goes. It's insane. Love this 5.0 with the 10-speed, man. I have to tell you, it's just so smooth and gets you in the power vents so quickly. Keeps pulling and pulling. The Corsa Extreme exhaust, man, love it.